Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put black theme on Instagram PC. We start by opening Instagram in our browser. After that, click on the More section and then switch appearance. Here you will see that you can turn on dark mode with the switch and the interface will change. Press again when you want to turn off this mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.